When will Nifty actually start to perform? In last 1.5 years, Nifty has barely given any returns. And the main problem, the main liquidity problem has been FIIs. They sold around 3 lakh crores in 2025, in 2024. But why are they doing it? See, for that, you need to think like an investor. If you're investing in any country, you would not want 3 to 5% of your money to be depreciated by the currency depreciation. That is exactly what FIIs are facing. And we have seen accelerated selling pressure, especially after the new taxes came for the stock market. And talking about the currency depreciation, see, the interest rates are relatively higher compared to India, and considering the trade deficit widened in 2025, that is adding another pressure to the Indian currency. So as a normal FII, you might say, okay, why not invest in US? There's a stronger currency, there's no headache of currency depreciation, there are good investment opportunities like AI related stocks, and there are higher yields as well for safer risk adjusted returns. See, the SIP money is holding the Nifty levels right now, but for FIIs to come back, we would want the Indian rupee to stop depreciating at this rate, taxes to be lowered or rationalized, and India creates a big undeniable investment opportunity. See, the earnings are growing, no doubt, but FIIs don't see a huge acceleration in earnings in the coming future. See, I've said it before, like 2025 metals outperform equities, I can see that happening in 2026 as well. But hey, again, this is my analysis, I can be completely wrong, so please do your own research and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below.